Hello everyone, I'm Mandika Sinha from the Department of English, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you on behalf of the entire department to this new chapter in your life. And I will also be talking about a few things that you will be getting familiar with in the forthcoming days. Now, literature, as you may know, is basically a mirror to society, and studying literature is meant to give you a fresh new insight into things that you are already familiar with and things that you have been seeing in your everyday lives. So in the days to come, you will be introduced to various new concepts and ideas like race, caste, class, gender, and all these ideas are basically meant to give you an insight and a new perspective on things or on texts that you will be studying. Now, at the same time, you will also be introduced to various new texts, be it from core British literature to American literature to new literatures and post-colonial literature. And alongside that, you will be studying literary theory and criticism, which will act as a platform which will help you to equip yourselves better to appreciate the text that you will be studying. Now, on a very practical level, you are expected to attend your classes with utmost sincerity and to keep a minimal requirement of attendance, that is 75% as per university guidelines, because attendance also has weightage when it comes to marks, so it will help you in your overall scores. Likewise, please make sure that you will work on your internal assessments with a lot of effort and sincerity as well, because each different teachers will be assigning you all various assignments, and this will be part of your internal assessments, and the marks will be added up to your overall scores, the final scores. So please make sure that this is something that you work hard on. And of course, these are the practical elements of your course, but leaving aside all that, please remember that it is up to you to make the most of this new academic phase in your life and to make the most of your limited time at our institution. So keeping that in mind, I would like to wish you all the very best and welcome aboard to this new course. Thank you so much.